What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you the best way to make money as a beginner in 2019. But before I get into the content, welcome to my channel. In this channel, I talk about how to make money online, how to make passive income, and how to create the life you want to create in 2019 and beyond. Okay, so if you like content like that, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and as well, do not forget to hit that notification bell because you do not want to miss the content that I'm coming out with on a consistent basis. All right, so you're here to learn how to make money online as a beginner, right? So that means maybe you have experience with making money online strategies, or you don't. Well, this strategy that I'm going to show you today is for anyone, whether you are a beginner, whether you're at the intermediate level, or even advanced level, okay? Because at this level, what I'm going to show you today will help you to either begin your online business journey or catapult your online business journey, okay? So the strategy that I'm going to show you has to deal with affiliate marketing. All with affiliate marketing, okay? And if you're a beginner, affiliate marketing is nothing but you putting a product in front of a person who needs that product's eyes, okay? So you're connecting a product with an audience who needs that product, okay? You're not making the product. You don't have to worry about customer management and customer relationships, which include returns or answering questions or processing refunds. You don't have to worry about any of that, okay, with affiliate marketing. However, the one key thing that you need with any online business, or with creating any online business, you need someone to teach you step by step the process to reaching what you want, right? The best way to get what you want is to follow after the steps of someone who already has it, okay? Just make sure they're doing it legally, not illegally, all right? We want to make sure we're being ethical here, but the best way to get something or get what you want is to follow after someone who already has what you want, right? So that means getting a mentor, getting a coach, getting someone who has already gotten the results that you are looking after, okay? And I'm going to show you today someone who has already made six figures and has taught others how to make six figures online using affiliate marketing, okay? And creating that passive income, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 a day, okay? And the training and course is called Commission Hero. Now, Commission Hero has a free webinar, right? And if you want to look at this free webinar or sign up to get this free training by Robbie Blanchard, go ahead and check out the first link in the description. Register for this free webinar and don't forget to show up, okay? Robbie's going to be breaking down his step-by-step strategy. Let's see here. This three-step system, it's a simple three-step system that he uses and connects ClickBank, which is an affiliate marketplace, and uses Facebook to drive traffic to ClickBank offers to make $1,000, $200,000 days, right? So he's doing that right now, and he's teaching others how to do the exact same thing. Here are some results that he has gotten and something that his students has gotten. Here we go. $37,000, $43,000 in one day. Guys, this is huge. So if you want to make money with affiliate marketing or have an online business at all, this is the best way to do it in 2019, 2020, and years to come, right? Whether you're using ClickBank, whether you're using JVZoo, whether you're using Amazon Associates, whatever you're doing in affiliate marketing, Robbie's way right here is a great strategy that you can use, and you can learn it right now in his free webinar, right? So just go ahead, look at the link, first link in the description, check out the free webinar, and just take notes and listen to what Robbie is saying and implement, okay, what he's teaching, right? Take massive action. You will never see results in your business unless you are taking massive action. That is the number one golden rule that you need to listen to, learn, and live by on your make money online journey or any kind of entrepreneurial journey. Be consistent with taking action daily to reach your goals, okay? just a little bit of inspiration there for you. But Robbie will show you the 3 steps with using affiliate marketing, using ClickBank and Facebook ads, and how you can start generating a very sustainable and substantial income online. All right, and like I said, it's just a free webinar, right? The capacity is 100 attendees, so you want to make sure you go ahead and get signed up, and so you're not kicked out of the webinar. Okay, but that's what I want to show that to you guys. I didn't want to teach you step by step, because I'm still in that make money online, creating my business space, right? I'm still in the creating phase, right? But Robbie here, he has what we are looking for and what we need. So I participated in Robbie's webinar, and it is a great webinar. It is a great product. And as soon as I start getting results with this system, I will also be sharing that. Okay. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because you don't want to miss that. All right. Right. So go ahead, subscribe, and go ahead and check out Robbie's free webinar today and get signed up, because you don't want to miss it. All right. Thanks for watching this video, guys. And don't forget, again, subscribe. Like this video if it's offering some value to you, and don't forget also to comment below if you're using Commission Hero, if you have an affiliate marketing business, or just show me some love, okay? Just show me some love, or whatever you want to do in the comments. All right. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you guys on another day. Peace.